All right. Wonderful.
The first part would still be like 1.5 and the 4.1 would go together.
Yes.
But then it was minus 0.3 PQ that
Okay.
you'd minus it from the 5.0. No, that is the cube and the square isn't a like term, but remain the same.
They remain. Yeah, but they remain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so both of them remain. If you were paying attention to what Chanel did, then you wouldn't have made that mistake. You see?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. You did a wonderful job. All of you did a very good job. We feel like we're in class now, and something is going on. You know, I like that. I love that feeling. I like when persons are participating and so forth. All right. So very good job. All right. Wonderful. 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 So beautiful. All right. So now we're going to move on to the next paper class. All right. Everybody saw everything. When you finish writing, let me know. Remember the rules. Open the right of the notes on the other side because there's never be in trouble. All right. Remember the rules. You haven't missed anything, Chanel. Just write off everything here. When you're finished writing off, we'll move on. Remember the rules, folks. Remember the rules.
So what happened to the 1.5 thing? What happened to that?
Just like what you did earlier, you make it remain. If there's no matching thing, it remain. So if you have the question written in there, you know what I'm saying. And so far, so good. I must say that you guys are coming on, but I just want to see that the worksheets are done without the best effort there is, and some of them on time. And I will not say something on time. I have to find you, so I'll get every email out to you. So if I find and thank you, like that. I can find you. I put out an alert saying missing you, need to find you, or 20 minutes wanted to make sure you get the work done time. People, it's very, very important, all right? Very, very important. Because you don't want anybody to be left behind. Very, very important. Remember to practice for your tests. Sure, I haven't kept my promise. Don't worry yourself about that. Okay. Right, so now 2 more minutes to finish writing the first set. From A to E, the first set, 4 minutes. And then we skip the board. So 5:31 rather will start the session. Two minutes left. Minute and a couple seconds that is. Glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Praise to the Lord, true glory. Are you ready now? 1 minute left. All right. Andre, you want to go first? Andre, Mr. Bennett,
Yes, sir.
you want to go first, sir?
Huh?
3x times 5y. What's your answer?
Um, mm, 6 times 4. 7xy, sir.
How much?
7. If I
You
had
try.
15, the 15xy, sir.
Okay. I was wondering because I probably have to come all the way to Clarendon for you.
Alright, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Job well done, sir.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
let's see. Chevel, B. What's the answer, Chevel? B. And before Chevel respond, answer Chevel. What's the answer, Chevel? What's the answer?
4 PQ.
4PQ. Very good. All right. So just in case
Sir, can I explain 4 people, please? Because I'm not so good at the fractions.
you're not so good at the fractions, okay, I'm going to explain A and B for anybody who wanted it. Now, when we're doing a multiplication of algebraic expression, please note that you're working with the coefficients now. The 3 times 5 is 15 and x times y is xy. So you're working with them individually, I should have said. I stand corrected. All right, work with them individually. The coefficients first, 3 times 5 is 15. Then x times y give us xy. Part B now, half of 8 is, Chanel, half of 8 is,
Oh, 4.
oh, okay. So we get the 4. Then we get p times q is pq. Everybody see that? Do you want me to go over it one more time? Let me go over it one more time. Note, we start with the numbers first. 3 and the 5 give us 15. Now we just put letters beside each other. XY is XY. Then half of 8, 4. We'll put the letters beside each other. PQ. Simple. Now that I've shown you guys that, Nicole, you may that come to. Your turn. See if you give me the one you're good.
Yeah, man. Negative 15y.
Negative 15y. Alright, very good try. But you know why it wrong?
Why?
If you're looking at the rules, you see why it wrong. Check the rules. Check the indices, check the rules, and you will see it. Negative 15 is correct, but the y no. And the y are the problem now. Y times y don't give you y.
Negative 15 only.
No, and a negative 15 only. But y times y, you want to make a good guess? It's a good guess. Y times y, how much time you multiply the y?
Square, square.
Ah, very good. You correct yourself. Job done. All right. Now, so everybody get them one piece correct. Chanel, your turn.
Before we move on, sir, what about no worry, no worry.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
I was
yeah.
just a bit confused with the minus in front of the 3.
Okay.
Is that why it is negative 15?
No, a positive number times a negative number will give you a negative answer. So write that down. A positive number times a negative number will give you a negative answer. And I can break it down some more. Let me see, but I'll show you that. Shanna, your turn now. No, we have a one.
Let me work it out. Let me
Yes,
work
man.
it out.
Okay, work it out, man. Work it out. Others of you, while she's working it out, try to ensure you get you're working out B, C, and D. Remember the rules, ladies and gentlemen. Remember the rules.
Sir,
Huh?
just can the like how you have the square and
Mhm.
like the p to the square. What is the three?
All right.
How
If you
you do the three?
if you follow the
Because I
rules,
have
if you follow the rules, you can't go wrong. If you follow the rules,
no,
you follow it.
I did it. I did it to know it. I have 12 p
Yeah.
to the fifth power, q to
Very
the
good.
fourth power.
Very good. Very good. 12 to the what? P to the fifth power.
12, 12 p to the fifth power, q to the fourth power.
Very good. Wonderful. Job done. So all of you did very good,
It's
Awana.
right there.
Oh gosh, man. I deserve something. I don't know what it is, but I deserve something. All right. Starting off with you again, Andre. D.
Huh?
Huh? Yeah, man. D. X squared divided by
Doctor
x
should have
squared.
kept a phone in your head.
Started with A. Oh, E. Sorry. I forgot that there's an E up there.
E.
Sorry. Yes, Andre. You have E up there to do. E is for you, Andre. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. What you have to give me?
Five.
Are they empty today? Yes. And
Remember the
nobody can
rules.
go?
Hello, Shannon. Remember you're in class. You can mute your mic, please.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Neg -5.
No. How you get
Mm,
-5? I'm curious.
sorry, what about the square them up at top? The square up at top confuse me with see
All right.
the, the two square on the top of a tree and a P and a Q.
All right. Let us work with brackets first, right?
Yeah.
But before going to that, I want you to revisit the rule again. Let us all revisit the rule. Just move this out of the way. Here's the rule. When you have the brackets, you put them together. You multiply them. You multiply the indices, right?
Yeah.
Everybody, please pay attention. Brackets, multiply the indices. All right, so let's get back now to it. So we're going to do the brackets them now. So -2 and -3 give us how much? When you multiply it. Negative
Uh,
times a negative will give you a positive.
yeah.
It's going to be 6.
Yeah.
All right, so now we have bracket now. If you remove this minus sign, you're going to have bracket. So your P, the P's now, the P's that you're going to have right here will give us 2 times 1 because this P raised to nothing is really raised to the power of 1.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'll be 2 in this case. The Q, the same thing, right? So 6,
Yeah.
there'll be 6 P square and Q square. The answer not done it, you know. Not done it. That's part of it. So let's put it 6P square. 6P square and
Q square.
Q square, yeah. Now finish it, because we have to multiply the other one then, right? Good. So we're gonna multiply that now by this one now. Joe, you follow?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna put it out here, so make life easy for you now. So it is P square again times sorry, P square Q rather, and we're gonna multiply that now. Alright, so now this is what we left it now. So our answer is then So now we're going to add the indices now. Because we'll remove the bracket. So that no, Andre, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So now we're going to add the indices. Now it's six. It's going to remain as 6 because this would have been an imaginary one right here. So it's going to remain as 6. We put our 6 there, and then we add the indices. So that will be p raised to the power of 4, and then q raised to the power of what? So if you what is q raised to the power of what? Tell me now. You don't help me, sir?
3. Oh.
I still to the name, sir. Andrea, sir, you know.
Yes.
Andrea, the only sir inside here. All right. So for those of you, it might seem a bit tricky. If you follow the rule, remove this, and then you have the brackets side by side. So therefore, you'd have multiplied the indices rather than to add them. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So for A now, Andre you didn't give me D in its fullest. So you're gonna give me A now. What's the answer for A? Follow the rules. What's the answer?
Um, X.
X is the X by itself.
No, sir. X.
Thank you, James. No. X squared divided by X squared.
X squared divided by X squared. X1, sir.
X1 or 1? Which one you want to say? 1 or X1?
1.
1. That is correct. The answer is 1. Anything divided by itself is always equal to what?
1. So, oh, it's
1.
X come back down about the side with the 1.
All right. When you're dividing, let me answer your question. When you're dividing, and everybody listen, you subtract the indices, right? Once the coefficients are the same, once the variables are the same, you subtract the indices. Now, 2 from 2 is how much? 2 from 2 is how much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Andre, you may talk. 2 from 2 is how much?
0.
0. So minus the indices. See them there?
Yes, sir.
And then that would be equal to x raised to the power of 0. Now, everybody write this down. You need to know anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Write that down. Anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1.
Sir, I don't know. That is the answer for A.
Yes.
I don't know. Oh, I got 1, but that's what I got.
Okay, very good. Well, that's what I like to hear. Just build your confidence. Build your confidence. All right, so good, very good, Andre. You got 1, so 1 is the answer. B now, 6A divided by 2B. Who haven't answered as yet? Nicole, I want you to do B.
Yeah. 3
3 what?
AB.
3AB. That's correct. Alright, 3AB. So that's 3AB. Right. Cheryl, I haven't heard your voice in a long while. C for you and D for Chanel.
Sir, 5x,
Mm-hmm.
YZ, RZ.
So 5x,
Yes, sir.
YZ.
Y. Yes, sir.
5x, YZ. Okay, that's correct. Because 315 goes 5 times. You subtract 1 from x, leave it 1, so you have x by itself. You subtract 2 from 3 leave you 1, so you have y by itself and z by itself. Very good. Excellent. D is Chanel.
Just a moment, so I'm still looking at.
Okay. It sound like Judy. She said just a moment, she's still looking at it.
Alright, just before I move on, can you tell me how you get the x y z without any moving up to any power?
Because
Or
remember, all right. Remember when you're dividing, when you subtract the indices. So where the x is right is an imaginary one. So 1 from 2 is 1. So once you have a letter, a variable raised to the power of 1, you don't have to write the 1, you just write the letter by itself.
okay, understood.
Okay.
Um, 18 divided by is it 6p to the third power q?
All right. It's not positive 6, but negative 6. Because when you're dividing up positive by negative, it remains negative. All right. Or you treat the Q them now? What is P? P what?
Oh, I see where q to the second power
You sure about that?
because it's q4 minus q2.
Hmm.
I don't know.
All right. Look back at the rule again. All right. It only goes for multiplication. So let us then stick with your answer then. So we subtract 1 from, we have p square. That's what they get, right? P square. Trying to get p square.
Um, yes,
Okay. And then now q.
3 minus.
Okay. And then 4 minus 2 will give you a q square. All right.
So that's right. Minus 6p squared q squared.
Yeah, that's the answer. All right. So all of you
Okay.
deserve a clap. Job well done. Um, I must say today was one of the best days. Um, I saw where truly shine today. Yes, keep it shining. Of course, Chevy would have always been doing her job. Nicole participated very well. She tell me when she stopped me in my tracks. If I need to explain, I explain. I like that. I don't want it to be quiet. I want you to continue to participate. So Nicole, thank you very much. And of course, you have done your job as well. Chanel and Andre, for both new students, you two have done a very good job on your first day. And that is very good. Now, I would like for you guys to know this, right? This is a job well done for today. Now we're moving on from here. We're going to move on. I'm going to give you a past paper question though before I open my big mouth. I'm going to give you a past paper question and see what you would have done with it. Let's see what you'd have done with it. All right. Let's see what you'll do with this one. They will make a wild guess. It's possible question time. This is not it. Okay, here it is now. Possible question time. Alright, so here is a question. Simplify sorry, 2y plus 3 bracket y minus 1. Alright, let's see who's willing to take that one.
Four.
Anybody who does this and does it well, seeing it for the first time, is telling me that you're
5y.
how much again?
5y.
5y. Source of 5y.
Um. Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Alright,
Oh Lord.
well I'm on your answer.
I'll hold on to it, but get wrong now.
I never said that. Anybody want to give it a try? She said 5y. Anybody want to give it a try?
Uh,
Anybody want to give it a try?
5y.
Just
5y squared, sir.
5y square? No.
Yeah.
No. Try again.
So I should try again?
If you want to. What about the other two people then?
Term you get 4y no, so I don't know all that.
You get 4y?
Mhm.
That's not correct.
Okay.
But nice try. Chevelle Nicole, wanna know what I'm trying to? A time for try now, try time now. You know that we have tried this question, so it's try time now. Nobody want to try?
So, sir,
Yes, Nicole. Chevelle, go ahead.
here's my question.
Okay, go ahead.
It says to simplify.
Yeah.
So,
Hmm?
negative 3,
Wait, hold on, Chevelle. May they have thing they gonna use it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, go ahead now. Chevelle, go ahead, sorry.
it says to simplify. So,
Hmm.
in brackets, you have 1 minus 1.
Yeah, y minus 1. So what now?
Yes, you have a negative 3 and you have a negative 1. So is it that your group like to sir?
Alright. The first thing you have to do is apply what we call
Word
it
for the
distributive
shop.
law. You have distributive law meaning that you have to. Alright, this is what is killing you guys. Knowing what this.
Sir, listen to my answer. My answer, right?
I'm hearing what your answer is.
You get 2y. 2y square.
No, that's still wrong.
Oh, alright.
Alright, let me help you. Very good though. Everybody give yourself a good clap. You did try. And that's what I want to get out of you. To try. Alright? Now distributive law, you use the number that is outside to multiply everything that's in the bracket. But let me show you first of all what it means. This is saying 3 times y minus 1. 3 times y minus 1 in brackets. So, how could we express that? We could express it this way. Y minus 1 plus y minus 1 plus y minus 1. Okay, you're adding them 3 times. Remember, if you make all of this be x, it's the same story. 3x, 3 times x plus x plus x. So the same thing. Even if it is expanded, it's the same. You are simply saying that this y minus 1 is added 3 times. Is that clear? Hello? And then your final answer would be y plus y plus y. How many y's are there?
1, 2, 3.
How many y's? People can count, you know?
3y.
3y.
Yeah.
And how many negative ones are there?
3.
3. So it's negative 3. That's what I said. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So now that you have worked out this part now, you can now move to the next level and say 2y plus 3y minus 3. So somebody was partially right and partially wrong. So the 5y minus 3. That's the final answer. 5y minus 3. Hmm. All right. Last question. Don't take too long to do it. 3m minus 2 bracket m plus 1. If it logs up before you come for the answers, re-log in for the last time and just speak to you guys before we end the session. The 3m, so on, so on, so. I'll call on somebody who did not answer for the first one. So you should know yourselves or yourself. Okay, Chevel raised their hand. Okay, go ahead, Chevel.
There I got m plus 2.
M plus 2. Well, remember now, you know. Remember, I said this is a minus right here. So it's really
So
m. It's m
minus 2.
minus 2. Yes, very good. Good job. Good job, Chevel. And that's the answer. And anybody didn't get it, try and solve it. All right. In the last 2 minutes of the class, I must say that you guys did a very good job. Andre, thank you very much. And I must say, Andre, that you have proven to CDP that you're a serious candidate. You have done your assignment. You have uploaded the orientation one. I have not looked at it as yet, but you have learned to upload your assignment, which you did. Everybody in the class here had to do that. And you did that part. And so we went ahead and we invited you for the class. It was allowed you to download the software. You did just that. You get onto the class right away and you have participated. So congratulations, you have done yourself a good deed today. Right? Miss Walters, who you spoke to, will speak to you further on later on this evening or tomorrow. She'll be looking for a call from her. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, as you say, we'll start the mathematics marathon in March because you know we need enough time to excel. The marathon will begin with a 2 day in the week, so Saturday nights and Sunday morning. Saturday nights and the regular Sunday class will be a marathons. So we need to finish all the algebra objectives. Um, your worksheets will be given to you at least 3 worksheets in the week. So I'm repeating myself. And please to finish them on time. All right, on time. I know that Cheryl has been doing a very good job. Congratulations, keep it up. She has been completing her assignments on time. Now, You can you can work together as a group if you wish. Um, the WhatsApp group is there. Andrea put in the WhatsApp group after class, so you guys can learn from each other. All right. Um, huh? Yes. Now there are five of you in the class. If you want to work in groups of twos, you can do that. You pick a partner and work with. There's only one gentleman. Hmm? Oh, yeah. All right. No. So there's one gentleman in the class. So the gentleman can choose which of the two pairs of females he wants to work with, and then or you work with both groups. Whichever one, you can feel like a king or a prince, no problem. You can work with both groups and see it works. So I'll be sending out projects for you guys to work in groups. Um, the projects will come in short order. All right. So, Andre, in less than a minute, in 1 minute, could you share your experience with the class today, sir, for your first day?
All right, sir.
Hmm.
Um, it's my first day,
Hmm.
and I like it so far, sir.
Okay, you
I just
like
want
it?
to get, yeah, I just want to get more gelling with the people and what we think around. Understand?
Yeah, man, I understand. You'll get more. Don't worry yourself. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay. Well, Shani, they want to share.
Not,
First time.
not necessarily.
Okay.
It's very informative. It's very engaging. So I'm very, very, very bad at math, and I seem to be catching on.
Okay.
I like that. I'm improving.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm looking forward to the other classes
All right. Thank you very much, ma'am.
and the clinical sessions.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. All right. So you guys have a wonderful week, and see you next week, Sunday, same time, same place.
Okay, bye. Bye, everyone.
All right.
All right. There are mutes. That's why.
Bye, y'all.